Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back once again. Another Airdrop live session with Crypto with B. I'm your host Brian, and before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance also guarantee future result. Whatever buying, selling recommendation for the week, please do your due diligence before investing into any kind of asset. And of course, I'm going to share with you guys on the latest updates on Airdrop. And of course, let me share my screen. Okay, so what's really happening right now for the crypto market outlook? Okay, so we can see BTC at the moment. Okay, on the money time frame, okay, we can see there's no sign of reversal or a rejection or any bearish candle at the moment. So you can see last month candlestick is still closing as a bullish candle with a doji candle. Okay, so there could be a high chance maybe the price might retest again and to challenge at 45.6. Okay, right. So there could be one probability that the price could rally again towards the upside and to retest all this critical resistance level here, the 45.6, then your 47.2K. Okay, so if it continues to break lower, let's say, okay, so this level is to watch at 38.5, okay, 38.5 to this level here at 35K. Okay, this for the monthly time frame. Looking onto the weekly, we can see the weekly now is still maintaining its solid support at this level here. Okay, 38.5. Okay, but it's still above the middle band here at 37.3. Okay, so all in all, I would say the weekly time frame is still consolidating, still maintaining its uptrend movement. Okay, so the resistance to break for the weekly time frame is here, somewhere around 44K. Okay, the 44K resistance area for the weekly time frame to break higher. So if the weekly candlestick can break above 44K, okay, then most likely next following week will be very bullish as well and to continue to challenge 45.6, 47.2. Okay, then on daily, so the daily time frame, what we can see right now, there's a candlestick change of direction from sell to buy. Now the price come back down to retest on the middle band here, maintaining very well above middle band at 41.8 and continuing higher again. So right now we can see that the daily time frame is consolidating sideways here, and of course the level, the most important level is this 44K. So it needs to break past the top BB as well. So breaking past top BB most likely would actually send the price even more higher. Okay, we should retest around these zones here, right? So these are the next zones for BTC to retest. So these are the levels to watch. Okay, 45.6, 47.2. Okay, so all in all, BTC at the moment is quite bullish. Okay, but again, I'm not ruling out for a correction. Okay, probably a huge correction or much breather that is much needed for the crypto market because we have been rallying for the last 5 months since October. So again, like I said, trade with caution, okay? And of course, you can see on the money now, there is no sign of stopping BTC to continue higher. But again, I believe there could be a pullback. Okay, so that is the Bitcoin market. Moving on to the crypto market, this is the total 3 market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, only altcoins. What we can see right now here, on the money time frame, okay, this is the level of resistance that needs to break above at 514. Okay, at the moment now it's having a rejection. Okay, but in case if the price were to dip back down again, you might see around this level here at 410. Okay, 410. Now weekly time frame, we can see the setup did a momentum buy, pullback. Okay, so far it is creating a higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. Okay, very, very bullish on the weekly, and then looking on to the daily. Now the daily now is sideways and then maintaining above the middle band. Okay, so we did a candlestick change of direction from sell to buy, pull back again. Now retesting on the sell zone. So another thing here is to watch is the top BB to break above 501.68. Okay, so breaking above there most likely will create another bullish momentum for the crypto market cap for altcoins. Okay, so right, overall you can see the altcoins will have its own traction and its momentum. Okay, as long as BTC can play sideways, can go sideways for this weekend, and of course the next following week as well, I think also have a higher chance. Now, Ethereum against Bitcoin, you can see the setup. It's still quite bearish. On monthly time frame, you can see there is a lot of rejection of reversal candle here, a doji candlestick is formed. Okay, then most likely if there's any chance of a pullback towards the downside, you might see around this low at 0.039993. Okay, this level here is to watch. It might plunged down because it rejected at the sell zone here. That's the most important thing. Weekly, we can see also candlestick change of direction. Okay, from sell to buy, pull back now for the re-entry. So the most important thing here is that can it able to maintain? Okay, this is the critical support zone. Will be around the 0.05063. Okay, that will be the final one. So if the weekly were to continue to retest on the week, this support zone, then most likely you might have a high chance of a break towards the downside. So all eyes on the area. Daily time frame, you can see price also breaking down. Okay, below the middle band now, and it's about to break lower again, you can see. So this is the levels to watch for the daily support zone. Okay, so Ethereum against Bitcoin, Ethereum is weakening against Bitcoin. Okay, so that's it and done. Okay, and of course, BTC is still hovering around 43.1K and it's looking quite bullish heading towards the weekend. Now, the latest news on Airdrop, where you guys are waiting for. Okay, so the first thing first we're going to look at is the injective side. So injective, we have a lot of protocols that actually, or they have already taken the snapshot. Okay, the first thing is Talis protocol. So Talis protocol is actually an NFT platform that is on the injective ecosystem. Okay, that you can able to buy, sell, trade NFTs. And of course, they have already guaranteed that there will be an airdrop. Okay, and if you stake within January itself, within the month of January, then you should have qualified. So in fact, I have also mentioned on my last year December video to stake your injective Cosmos Celestia under the Talis, for injective under Talis protocol and Black Panther. And of course, for those of you guys who have staked under Talis protocol, right? Congratulations, I believe you have also qualified and you've already taken the snapshot, okay, for this round. Okay, so here you can see initial snapshots taken. Okay, so this is for early and current volume snapshots and the first snapshot of our dedicated delegators. So who are delegators? So delegators, as we as stakers are considered delegators. So this is the thing, the important things to take note. Okay, so more and more news and updates from Talis protocol, you can see that they are focusing on staking and airdrop development. Okay, following these snapshots, we are actively preparing the distribution method, right? We are currently developing an interface that will soon allow you to check your eligibility and claim your allocation. So this is actually very, very good news. So first thing first, the snapshot is taken, and of course, they are going to develop the system, especially for your wallet, whether or not how much of airdrops are you getting in terms of your delegating, tokens delegated to Talis protocol. Okay, so I think that's the thing that they want to focus on. Okay, so the more you stake your injective into Talis protocol, then the much more allocation of Talis token they'll be getting. So yeah, these are the developments that is ongoing here. Okay, so all in all, it's very bullish. Okay, and then of course we look at the next one. Okay, which leads to Black Panther. So Black Panther also, it's the another injective. Okay, injective protocol. Okay, that they are more into DEX, decentralized exchange, and of course they are focusing more on swaps. They are also providing liquidity provider pool, okay, where you can able to do your staking, where you can able to provide liquidity into their ecosystem as well. And if you have staked your injective into Black Panther directly to their site, I believe you have also qualified. So this is the one that is leading you here. Okay, for Black Panther, what we can see here is that, okay, they have already announced the claim drop schedule. Okay, I believe also the snapshot have also taken for the first round as well. So here we can see Black Panther have also taken its first snapshot. Okay, all right. The first snapshot has already been taken. I believe it could be today. Okay, that's on the 2nd of February. Okay, and then there will be another snapshot again, which is happening end of this month, right? 29th February. So the average amount of injective stake for the first and second snapshot will be used to determine your claim drop allocation. So these are the things that they are taking note. So your previous allocation have already been snapshot. Now, the second part is that maybe you may want to add more allocation, your injective to Black Panther in order for you to qualify more of the airdrop, right? Increasing your allocation back of the Black Panther tokens. Okay, so what's next is that you can see on 1st March, okay, you'll be able to claim your reward points, okay, reward point, okay, tokens on our airdrop page. Now, this point token, when you claim, you are using this point to redeem this point into a Black Panther token. Okay, so do bear that in mind. This is not their native token. This is just this point rewards is for you to exchange with a Black Panther token. So you have to remember. Okay, so when we move here, okay, right, we will be taking weekly snapshots between 1st March until 31st. Okay, so weekly snapshots. So I think they are actually encouraging more and more stakers to stake their injective to support the Black Panther pool. Okay, and then of course we move here. So the point ratio here, what we are looking at is that when you earn the point system, so 1 point is equivalent to 1 black token. Okay, so there you go. This is the answer. This is clarity coming in from the Black Panther community itself. Okay, they themselves have already mentioned. Okay, soon after you'll be able to exchange your point for black tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, so their token generation event, which is their TGE, their main launch event will be by end of June this year itself. So today is February, so we have how many more months left, right? So probably another 4 more months to qualify. So right now, the whole mission is that to qualify as much points as you can by staking more injective to Black Panther dedicator, so that you can be able to exchange this point for the black token. This is the one that we are aiming for. So yeah, like I said, this is not financial advice. So you have to do your own due diligence, whether or not, right? Is it worthwhile, or is your risk appetite suits your budget of allocation to Black Panther in order for you to qualify for this token? Okay, so I leave it to you guys, but you guys have to do your own research. Okay, so these are the latest news here for Black Panther. Now, next one we're moving at is coming in from Dmail. So Dmail is actually a decentralized email, right, under the Web3 solutions. So if you have used Dmail, okay, I think since last year, okay, I think about 3 to 5 times. They even have a requirement as well for you to qualify. Okay, but I believe the airdrop, it doesn't seems to be much promising. Okay, I think in terms of the pricing and valuation, okay, I think it's a bit disappointed, I would say. But nonetheless, you can see Dmail have already airdrop. Okay, this is season 1 rewards early adopters. Okay, so if you have used these services or the platform of Dmail, okay, by using any kind of network, okay, so this is the requirement here. Okay, so these are the paid NFTs domain holders, paid holders of NFT domain pre-sale snapshot. So these are the snapshots that they are taking from 16th of December since last year, okay, right all the way to 27th of January this year itself. Okay, so the timeline is like 2 months, right, on December and January. Okay, so here you can see the Dmail app users, active users who have sent more than 3 messages to more than 5 contacts and complete, and with a more than 1,200 points, task points. Okay, I think you should be getting this allocation for Dmail alone. Okay, so all in all, this is the upcoming airdrop. Okay, so the next season 2, which is the round 2, okay, they even mentioned also here, you can see by completing daily tasks, participants have the opportunity to share over 4.5 million Dmail tokens. Okay, so yeah, these are the next promising rewards from Dmail network alone. Okay, you can see there is a 2.25% of the total token supply is reserved for Dmail point holders. Okay, so what you can do is that you can able to go to mail.dmail, okay, and you can start to send email. Okay, you can use the cheapest network like BNB or BNB, okay, you can able to create traction for your network, right? If you are building volume, right? If you are building, you want to make sure that your network is active, or you want to make sure that your wallet is good. So you just want to transact, right? So this is the website for you to connect. So you can connect your MetaMask, okay, and then you can start to send the email. Okay, so I think this is quite clear cut. So this is Dmail. Now moving on next. Okay, next airdrop, what we can see is that it's coming in from Dojo. So Dojo Swap. Okay, so Dojo Swap is under the Injective protocol as well. Okay, what we can see here is that Dojo Swap also will be announcing their airdrop. Okay, so airdrop details will be coming in next week. Okay, but I believe this is much more preferable for those who are staking, right, the injective tokens. Okay, what we can see is that the team will be announcing more airdrop details next week. It is not clear if injective stakers will be included. Okay, so yeah, do bear in mind. I think this one will be quite promising as well. So Dojo Swap offers a launchpad platform, okay, right, and ninjarule.org, okay, right, and then they have Kagi Finance, two projects that are using Dojo's launchpad. Okay, so Dojo also will be launching their launchpad as well, which is the IDO, initial DEX offering. All right, so all in all, we can see uh, for those who are holding, right, uh, maybe injecting, maybe they have a chance to qualify for this airdrop as well. So this is Dojo Swap here. So you can go to the website here. Okay. All right. So you can see it's a native automated market maker DEX on injective. Okay. So it's the first ever. So they also provide liquidity farming incentive. Those farmers who wants to stake for higher APR or APY. So I think this is the best platform, I would say, right, under the injective ecosystem. Okay. So yeah, so right now, what we can see is that there are a lot of details that will be coming out very, very soon. Okay, we are running the airdrops, right? This is Dojo Swap. But I believe Dojo Swap, they are offering other holders, other token holders beside Injective, if not mistaken. Okay, so it's not only Injective, but other token holders, okay, that is inside the Injective token, Injective ecosystem. Okay, so next one. Okay, you can see Hydro Protocol also announced their mainnet. Okay, the mainnet have officially launched. Okay, and of course, I have also mentioned to you guys regarding the airdrop for Hydro protocols, right? You have also staked under injective ecosystem. Okay, you have also qualified for the airdrop, but this airdrop, it will be based on the token generation event, which most likely will be coming in only on March. Okay, so we won't get the tokens until the token generation event that is happening on March itself. So this month itself, the mainnet just launched. Okay, so they just want to go full swing on the total value lock. Okay, so people, investors have already locked in their injective. In return, they're getting this liquid staking, which is the HING. Okay, so right now what we can see is that Hydro Protocol have already surpassed 50 million in total value lock, right, in just 1 hour after launch. So this is huge. Okay, this is the first ever liquid staking in injective alone. So this could be the next 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 of Solana, the 𝗧𝗀 of injective. Okay, so Hydro could be the next or next one. So I think this could be quite promising under the injective protocol system. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, so this one I will update you guys on March alone. So yeah, stay tuned on that. Then moving on next, so you can see next, of course, the one of the best hype Ethereum airdrop, okay, which is Altlayer. Okay, I believe Altlayer have already airdrop for those who are staking under Eigenlayer, okay, or the restaking platform. So they have not missed on the Celestia stakers as well. So right now, this is the latest news coming in from Altlayer himself. Okay, so we can see the qualifications for Celestial stakers. Okay, so who are actually qualified and what is the minimum requirement? So we have already found out from Altlayer that you need to have at least minimum of 35 stake here. Okay, whether or not you stake through the validators or through Milky Way, which is the milk tier, which is the liquid staking platform under the Milky Way zone, then I believe you have qualified. So it doesn't matter whether you have staked maybe 20, okay, 20, let's say example, you stake 20 Celestia under Stake Cito or any other validators in Kepler wallet, but the remaining 15 you are staking under Milky Way zone, then that actually adds up because people do not know or people are confused. This 35 can be able to break down. So because I have some wallets where I do not have 35 under directly Milky Way, but they are partial under Milky Way and partial from Kepler wallet, and I still got the allocation. So these are the things that you want to take note as well. So not exactly 35 must be staked under the native Celestia validator, but you can able to mix and match, okay, with Milky Way and the native token as long as it hits a minimum of 35 or more than 35, then I believe you have qualified for the airdrop. So for those of you who have gotten the airdrop, okay, so you need to claim your airdrop. Okay, so the claiming of airdrop, very, very important. So you just want to see here, so you can able to claim here, airdrop.altlayer.io, all right? So we can see here. All right, so you need to accept these terms and conditions from Altlayer. Okay, agree to terms, and then all you need to do, click Celestia, and then paste your address here. All right, and then you click check. Right, so we have the registration will go live until the next 13 days. So most likely will be, yeah, I think it will be on the 16th. 16th of February will be the final deadline to actually register uh, your address, because what you need to do is that when you click your Celestia, when you paste your Celestia address here, you need to have a Ethereum address for you to claim the Altlayer token, because Altlayer is under the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so you have to remember that. Okay, and then more and more news from Celeste, from Altlayer. This is the additional news coming in from airdrops, airdrops 1. Okay, these are the eligibility, and then the snapshots have already taken since 17th of January. Okay, so 17th of January they have already taken. Okay, and this is quite a good, a generous type of community that actually includes Milky Way zone as well. So I have also informed you guys to actually stake your Celestia for Milky Way in order to get your liquid staking token as well, to qualify also for another airdrop. So yeah, this is the claim. Registration starts from 2nd February till the 16th, and then your claiming of tokens will be on the 20th of February. Okay, so this is the thing, 20th of February till March 5th. Okay, so right, so these are the things to take note. These are the minimum requirement, 35 to 200 TIA stake, okay, and then 200 to 750, right, all the way to 10,000 TIA. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, moving on next, the last but not least, we can see coming in from the layer 2 Ethereum mainnet. Okay, Ethereum ecosystem. Finally, we have the announcement from the official of ArgentX. So, okay, so this is also by Crypto Telugu. Okay, I've also mentioned that the Starknet latest update that many wants to hear, that many farmers or airdroppers who have been farming since maybe last year or maybe the last 2 years have been farming till now. They have already gotten this good news. Okay, and this coming from Argent HQ as well. Okay, announced an article 3 days ago with details of how to claim the airdrop. Okay, and of course, I believe this airdrop is coming soon. Okay, they have also did the stress test. They have also did the testing of tokens of claiming, redeeming, sending, and receiving. Okay, and of course, they have also used Starknet token as a fee as well. Okay, and then here they have also issued an article how to claim the Starknet airdrop, which is also quite surprising, coming in from ArgentX, which is the official wallet for Starknet. Okay, so this is the article here. How to claim the Starknet airdrop, complete guide. Okay, this is from Oli Amitagi. Okay, so it's on January 28th, right? So it's like 5 days ago, 5 days ago. Okay, so a very brief airdrop guide, but there is no clarity yet on when the airdrop will go live. Okay, so but they are giving a heads up on what to expect when the airdrop is coming in. Okay, so the token ticker will be STRK. It is already confirmed. Okay, the airdrop ticker sign have already confirmed. And then the token utility we are looking at is the governance, which is DAO, staking and paying network fees. Okay, so very, very good is that they're focusing more on staking, which is why where members or farmers can able to stake and to provide TBL for the community of Starknet. Okay, so best wallet for claiming Starknet is definitely ArgentX, because they are the one actually promoting they are the one actually creating this article. So besides ArgentX, we have Bravos as well. So you have two wallets, right? ArgentX and Bravos. But I believe majority of us are using ArgentX. Okay, so right, so these are the thing. And of course, what we can see here is that when the Starknet airdrop, the Starknet token. Okay, so right during a post in December last year, okay, the Starknet Foundation announced they have been working on the first phase of distributions of Starknet token, because what they are saying is that they are focusing mainly on developers. Okay, with Starknet here, their main priority is the developers. Are you a developer that providing a smart contract? Are you a smart contract developer? Are you actually creating the ecosystem, building up the foundation of Starknet? So that is their main priority here. Okay, so We have also plans to allocate over 1.8 billion Stark tokens across multiple initiatives to drive the adoption and growth of the Starknet blockchain. Okay, so well, this is by 8th of December. Okay, so all in all, I would say that Starknet Foundation is quite bullish. Okay, and I believe the airdrop will be coming very, very soon, right? It could be this month already. So I'm looking forward maybe next week. So let's have a good positive outlook for next week as well. So all in all, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's all I have for this week, guys, and hope you guys have a great weekend. And please do like, share, and subscribe, and click the button below with the bell button. And once again, guys, thank you for your time. See you.